Alright, this is a little helpful housekeeping video on how to organize your studies. So, it doesn't matter what class you're in, I have found this to be extremely helpful having been a student myself. So you're in Canvas, you have an assignment, and you want to fill out a PDF and resubmit it. First thing you're going to need to do is find some place to park these things. So we're going to go down to File Explorer. Now, File Explorer is organized kind of cool. This is your quick access up on the top, quick access on the side, and then deep into the stomach of your computer where we don't want to get lost. So what you're going to want to do is create a tab for My Classes. Inside that, create another folder for Task Sheet. To create a folder, you're just going to right click, go to New, Folder, and then name it what you want. We're going to name ours Task Sheets. That's right there is where you would type that in, and I already have one. So let's go back. To pin it, put that little thumbtack in it so it stays here. You just right click again, and where it says unpin from quick access, you would hit pin to quick access. I don't think there's a reason to pin this to the start menu. You don't need an icon. It's just going to clutter up your screen. And we don't need to open this every time the computer turns on. We just want it here in a neat, tidy spot. All right, so that's done. Now I'm in Canvas. I've logged in as a student. I'm going to go to Modules. Find me a task sheet here. I'm in module week 4 through 5. Here we go. C952. Now, this is really good supporting content. There's usually videos in there. Go down here, using wire diagrams, using troubleshooting electrical electronic circuit programs. Cool. And it's going to want to download it. Go ahead and hit save. Then we're going to open it. Now, how do we fill this out? Adobe Acrobat wants $14 a month for their premium PDF editing software. You don't need that. I'm going to show you how to do this for free. List the customer complaint. Let's see. They want my money. All right. And now we'll just do the jazz hands on the keyboard. So you know I'm not going to give you the answers. All right. There we go. Now, if we try to download it and save it, that's when we're going to get prompted to buy the subscription. So stay away from there. Go over here to the print button. Hit print. Now normally it would probably be on your printer. You can do this. If you can't figure this out, you can just hit print and hand it to me in person. But what we're going to do to make this super easy is we're going to print it as a PDF that's saved into that file that we just created. Save as PDF. Hit save. Now here's where it gets a little weird. Make sure you look up on the top here in your documents, My Classes, Task Sheets, so we know where it's going. If it's not going to the right folder, make sure you click around and move it to where we want it. No, there's nothing identifiable about this. Here's a little problem. We want C952. So go to the front, type in C952, save as PDF file. We're going to hit save. We're done. So now when we go to Canvas, go to our modules. I have 2 instances of Canvas opening because I didn't feel like fishing for this thing. we need to go down to C952 right here. Alright, now this gets a little counterintuitive. Where it says resubmit assignment, usually just says submit assignment. I've done this one before. I don't really like the wording there. It's counterintuitive because you're going to think, well, I didn't do anything. What am I submitting? Just click on it. Here are your options. File upload. Choose a file. Text entry. You can actually just open a window and type all of that in. You can copy and paste it in. Website URL. Media. You can record a YouTube video or any video on your smartphone of you doing this task sheet and submit it that way. Studio. Google Drive. If you're more comfortable and savvy with Google Drive, feel free to download that PDF into Google Drive, convert it, fill it out, send it in that way. So we're going to go file upload. Choose a file. Remember that one we just renamed with the long thing after it? That's the one. We're going to hit open. We're going to hit submit assignment. We're going to get some confetti. It's going to be happy. Yay, we did it. Now, how do we know that it went in? I switched out of student view. I'm going to go to my dashboard. View grades. This is on my end. Don't worry about this. I'll just show you that it does show up. C952. Customer concern. They want my money. There it is. So that's how we get away from the PDF subscription costs. Now, if you have already downloaded it, you clicked the wrong button. All is not lost. Here's another one that I've downloaded. When you come over here to Adobe Convert PDF, if you want to edit the PDF, this is where the money starts. See this free trial? It's only 7 days. 16-week class. That's not enough time to do all these task sheets. Once again, avoid that subscription cost. Come over here to your print button. Well, let's type some stuff in. Define a short circuit. Alright. Hit print. Print to where? We're going to go to PDF again. Remember, we don't want to send it to the printer. We're going to send it to the PDF. We hit print. It says, alright, file name. This is C296. C296. And we're going to, well, let's put something on there in case there's more than one. There is more than one. There we go. Now we're done. When we go to File Explorer, C296, that's where we would open that up and submit it just like we submitted the other one. So that's a workaround to get away from you having to pay $14 a month. Enjoy.